Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the page. That first credit second. So, want to say congratulations if you came this far. You are now witnessing what's going on here is the purchase of the house. This is now officially ours, that first credit second. And just wanted to show you guys that hey, things is possible. What we doing in the process that we are talking about is real. We are giving clients real advice, real counseling to go ahead and get a house. So if you go back and look through my other videos, you will see when we first came here, my team and I had first came on the scene and seen this property. Then we got the property inspected. Then there was a final walkthrough, and here it is now, purchase. And just want to just kind of show people, hey, things are possible. What we doing is real. We're really guiding all of our clients in the right direction, and want to show our growth as a company as well. Because I've never seen that one page of a credit repair company showing you, hey, not only are we going to fix your credit, not only are we going to get you in the house, we're going to show you and walk you through the process and show you that we're doing it as well. Practicing exactly what we preach. So just want to just show, hey, things are possible. Please, if you want to know more information, contact my team and I. That first credit second, 757-350-3467. And we'll be more than happy to help assist you guys in purchasing a home, fixing your credit. That's what it's all about. And that's what we want to do. We want to help our clients fix their credit and purchase a home like this, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, or if not even more, whatever you choose in a house. But this was also, again, educational purposes. So you're able to see, hey, get some ideas about what you want in the house. Hey, how much are you making? Hey, what can that afford you in that type of house? Because you got to be realistic about this. It goes off your per deal. How much are you making? What is your credit score? Every house ain't going to be the big $1 million house, but you got to start small. So just want to give our clients inspiration and motivation. Hey, that this stuff is real that we're doing, and please contact us. So for more information, hey, you guys got the number. Just want to show it off again. And you kind of could, if you go back in the videos, you'll see the process before. All right, we out of here.